Hi, my name's Casey from BurritoBuzz, and I'm about to unbox my first subscription box from Ivory Clasp. You get a purse worth at least $100 for $45 a month. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited. I want to see what they picked for me. All you do is take a style quiz, then the stylist will pick a bag that they think is your style based on your quiz, and they ship it right to your door for $45 a month. Free shipping, 100% refunds and returns, so you really can't lose. So first time I'm opening it. I obviously did this video several times because I have two children locked in the bedroom, so they won't be screaming anymore. So I already cut it open as I was trying to make this, so let's see what I got. Surprise! Here is your new bag from Ivory Clasp. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for joining Ivory Clasp. Awesome! Let's see what it is. It's a big bag. This bag is not a toy. It's like, oh my god. Sorry for all the loudness. Remove the box. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Look at that. I can fit all my baby stuff in it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got bags. Lots of look how cute!